So we got Kristen on my phone, and me here. I had to quickly use the bathroom, but you can see in that short time it's spreading up. It's like all going this direction. But all the storms, all the thunderstorms, are all that way. Let's check the clouds out. Now I wouldn't, if this was a thunderstorm, guys, I would not be this close to a metal fence or trees. By the way, that's the snapped off limb that I've been talking about and showed you. But yeah, you would never see me around that. Like Kristen just said on the phone cam, it's all clearing up this way, or at least it's heading this direction, I think. This was a nice shelf cloud. You'll see, obviously you'll see it before this clip, but you know, it's just all spreading up. Rain, it's falling right about there. Like, I really would like to chase, but I know by the time we get out there and moving, this is going to be probably a fast moving storm. So wind has picked up. Our flag is moving. It's really crazy. No rain yet. Wind is really picking up now. I'm seeing it in real time. I don't know if you guys are. The clouds are really moving. I'm gonna walk down a little bit. I'm gonna walk down. We'll keep recording. We're just gonna look. Look at the storm's heading. Don't ever do what I'm doing, guys. This is dangerous. Now it's starting to rain a little bit. Now we're by midnight. I haven't had her out in a bit. Gotta take her out. It's starting to rain though, so I won't be out here long. But this is where all the seeds coming in this way. So the Paradise Hills over that direction, and that's where the storms are moving that way. Really crazy, guys. Really crazy. It's extremely windy. So I don't know if this is going to be a rain event or a thunderstorm event. But I'm going to head back to the patio. I thought I'd just show you. So this is going to probably be a crazy storm, but somewhere else. I don't think it's going to happen here. We're just going to get the strong winds and rain. Leaves are blowing off the tree. Look at this tree. Right above midnight. Literally. There she is. Oops, I'm zooming in, not paying attention. Sorry, guys. Really crazy. Time's still just wild. And like I said, over here, there's the bike. It's not that bad. Still breezy. should have seen it over there. I had dust blowing my eyes. This is crazy. And it's just spitting right now. Like I showed you over there. Now I can see how fast. Now you can hardly even see the clouds. But they've all shifted over here. It's starting to rain a little more. Once it really comes down, then I'll head into the patio, the porch. But I think it's going to be a crazy rainstorm. And if we do get, like I said, we might get like a little bit. It's just, don't ever do what I'm doing though. Okay, I'm going to head into the porch now. Our flag is really going. Just to bye. Say hi, bye.